Yeah. Here we are at Esmeralda's place in Malaki. Over the street. Been here for 4 days now. Just getting the camera out. Looking at the Malaki market on Wednesday.
Excuse me.
All kinds. Nobody needs to, it's all just stabilizes itself. Yeah. Your maximum right now. Here we are at the square in Bara. Just one little vendor. I would get one just so we can show you what it looks like on market day, next Thursday. Pretty view of the ocean. Here we are at the Valentine's Day dinner spot right on the ocean.
Sort of.
Strange enough, we did not get a reservation. That seems to maybe going to be open. Here we are after a hike to the top of the waterworks near the Kalima Hotel or whatever. Looking over, looks like where people park their boats. Looks like a fairly well protected bay. And then looking back over Bara. Here we are after a hike over the hill towards the other side of the golf course, back to the ocean on the other side. Looks like once upon a time there was a bit of a beach resort here. As you can see by the outdoor toilets, not too much privacy. And a stairway up around the top. Here we are on the bus to La Manzanilla, heading for the beach. At least we hope we are. Pretty much on time. We are on the bus. So the place on the main drag is hard. See where we're going? Here we are in La Manzanilla. Big expanse of ocean, long curved beach. RV park right on the beach. And 80-degree water.
Out here it's like I'm someone else. Thought if maybe I could find myself. If I could just come in, I swear I'll leave. Won't take nothing but a memory.
I can't do anything.
Here's a little video of the backyard and the pool. Changed a little since the little house and wash shed with cold tub the last time we were here. Very nice and private. You don't mind the people upstairs watching. Here we are in Malachi. We're just heading over the little bridge, heading to the Malecon. Very nice.
I remember this.
Oh, I do not remember this. Oh, I remember this. We walked through this, but we didn't go across this bridge. The RV park. And there's the million birds sitting out on something. And you bring the RV down and just camp on the side. And do not, please be calm, don't get eaten by the crocodiles. So here we are, walking along the Malecon in Malachi. Last time we were here, just the RV park was here, but this is all sort of new. It's all very pretty. And if you look back across the bay, don't know how it's coming out on video, but you can see Bara. And a little bit of smoke. They're always burning something. Strangely enough, the whole place doesn't light on fire. It's just the area they're burning. We need some of those kind of plants where we come from. Here we are, kind of at the very north end of the Malachi Beach. There's more to rock. Working way back around the town.
Licenciado Jorge, por estos 5 minutitos y una disculpa, pero son los mejores.
Here we are at the Carnival 2026 Bara de Navidad event, boys and girls. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, got a music hiccup. So we made it to the start of the trail to the secret beach. I'm gonna give that a try in a bit. It looks like the sun shelter and stuff is getting fixed up. And here we go. We've discovered the stairs to the secret beach. That's all right. When I make my video, I'll send you a copy. Okay. Just another set of steps down to this. Very pretty.
Fun out in the water.
You saw a doubled horn something or other.
Yeah. You see that thing out there, Mike? Straight
Wait.
ahead?
The first look at Sharon, Marianne's, and Michael's beach. Maybe
We
Keith
have
too.
two. Hopefully we can get Keith to. Oh. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah. Pretty nice. And a pretty nice set of stairs all the way over. Oh. And we don't know for sure, but it's some kind of poop on the wall. Here the girl's coming down the stairs. Probably doesn't look very steep for here. Very brave. Here we are at our private beach. The birds flying around and the cactus is on the hillside. It is so pretty. Here comes another big one. Our way back up the stairs. Look back across the beach at our footprints. And here's the girls. And Keith just lounging in the ocean. Not the odd big wave that washes way up the beach. It's pretty nice. Here comes a fairly big one. So here we are in the last day, hopefully here in Bara. Just a quick look around Brent's place. The little Volkswagen safe and sound in its little house. Kitchen. Got almost everything packed up, ready to go. The little ensuite. Got a nice little shower. On to the second bedroom, maybe laundry. Yeah, I did. And then out into the pool area. It's Sharon's favorite area. So it looks like I got a couple more t-shirts to throw in my bag. All very nice. Sun's out now. One last little dip in the pool. Definitely brings the place up a level.